Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper of Monday, April the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary puzzle. And what's the news of the day? Well, I've told you earlier, today 198 days ago, the war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, another war. Yeah, war is still continuing, and I read the news today. They have bombed a building in Gaza, in Rafah. 90 people are killed. 14 of them are children. Insane. If you reverse that, if there are 14 people dead in or 90 people dead in Israel, well, then there will be retaliation. Yeah, retaliation. But how can the people in Gaza defend? They cannot defend, and the people are starving and dying. Yeah. Enough about the war. Okay. 8408. And before I start, I always count the printed digits as well. 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Between the ones comes an O. And I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1. Oh, double O, here one, there one. Oh, made a mistake here. Double one, here no, there no. Why I placed the 1 there? Insane. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. Then let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and an O between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no, double O here, one, there, one. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Between those comes in 1. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, is it time for comparing? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. I'm stuck. Yeah. I need to compare. Seems like I need to compare. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this column and the last column. Look to the ones. Here one, there one, and here one. I cannot place the fifth one there because then we have identical columns. So here can be one. This should be an O then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here should be O and a 1. 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 And here should be O and a 1. Question is... which column, which row? So I need to compare. Here, double 1. No. Here, a double 1. Here we have a double 1. No, it's not the same. Double 1. No, I cannot compare the second column. How about the third column? Here I've compared with double O. No. Seems like I need to compare the rows. This row. Here we have a double 1. This is not the same. Cannot compare this one. How about this one? Double O here. Double 1. This row and that row. Okay. O 1 1 1 1 O 1 1 O empty box 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here. This should be 1. We have 1 here. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And between two ones comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 9 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. Without comparing. And not true with one time comparing it. This one. Well, a little bit with the other. Anyway, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, Tuesday. A new day. New puzzles. Maybe also new additional with extra puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.